So this recipe is not as much of a recipe as it is a procedure, I think. My intention here is to try and make an equally tasty and enjoyable version of cottage or shepherd's pie using turkey. Previously I've tried to just do a straight swap, turkey mince for beef, and it doesn't do it for me. It doesn't have the same kind of richness and flavour profile, so I'm going a little bit different with this one. So I want to add some saltiness, but not adding salt, as it were. So instead I'm using some feta cheese or some Greek style salad cheese. That adds a bit of saltiness, and it's not a melting cheese, so it stays in pieces, which gives you an interesting bite when you're eating it. So cheese on, and then the mash on, and I normally kind of do a pattern or something on top of the mash, but I just didn't feel like it this time around, so I left it smooth. Which is why it looks a little boring when it comes to dishing or to finishing. But at this stage you can just leave this to cool and then put it in the freezer if you're not going to use it right away, or put it in the fridge, and you've probably got a couple of days safe storage in the fridge. So when you're ready to eat them, and they go at the top of the oven at gas mark 6 or 7 for around about half an hour, 45 minutes. If you want to, you can add some cheese on top, but there's cheese inside. Again, if you want to, you can make patterns on the top with a fork, or add a layer of breadcrumbs to give it some crunch, which I think I will do in the future. It needs a bit of something, a bit more texture, I think. So yeah, that is attempt number, I think, 4 to make Turkish pie, and I think I'm almost there. I need to kind of finesse it slightly, but it is quite tasty, quite interesting. The cumin, I think I overdid slightly, and it gives it a slightly musty kind of taste, but other than that, I think it's pretty good. If you have any recipes for a turkey version of cottage pie, then by all means please share them. I'd love to have some other options for this. So yeah, that's it done, and I'll see you again next week.